Hi everyone, I'm Ani with Intero with your real estate insights for the week of September 7th. Now, the year 2020 will certainly be one to remember, with new realities and norms that have changed the way we live. Now, this year's real estate market is certainly no exception to that shift, with historic highlights continuing to break records and challenge what many thought possible in the housing market. So here's a look at 4 key areas that are fundamentally redefining the market this year. Now, number 1 is the housing market recovery. The economy was intentionally put on pause this spring to respond to the COVID-19 health crisis. Many aspects of the common real estate transaction were placed on hold at the same time. Thankfully, technology and innovation helped the industry power forward, and business gradually ramped back up as shelter-in-place orders were lifted. The result? A total transformation of the market from rock bottom lows to exceptional highs. Now today, the housing recovery is being called truly remarkable by many experts and is far exceeding expectations. From pending home sales to purchase applications, buyers are back in business and homes are selling fast. According to the Housing Market Recovery Index by Realtor.com, the market has surpassed pre-pandemic levels and has regained the strength we remember from February of this year. Number 2 is the record-breaking mortgage rates. Historically low mortgage rates are another of the 2020 game changers. Today's low rate is one of the big motivating factors bringing buyers back to the market. The average rate reached an all-time low on multiple occasions this year, and it continues to hover in record low territory. When rates are this low, buyers have a huge opportunity to get more for their money when purchasing a home, something many are eager to find while continuing to spend more time than ever expected at home this year, and likely beyond. So, number 3 is a continued price appreciation. One of the key drivers of home price appreciation this year is historically low inventory. Now, inventory was low going into the pandemic, and it's still sitting well below the level needed for a normal market. Although sellers are slowly making their way back into the game, buyers are scooping up homes faster than they're even coming up for sale. Now, this is a classic supply and demand scenario, and it's forcing home prices to rise. Selling something when there is a higher demand for what is available naturally bumps up the price. Now, if you're ready to sell your house today, this may be the optimal time to make your move. As Bill Banfield, the EVP of Capital Markets at Quicken Loans, notes, the pandemic has not stopped the consistent home price growth we have witnessed in recent years. Now, increasing affordability even as home prices continue to rise. Now, affordability is working in favor of today's home buyers. According to the many experts, rates this low are offsetting rising home prices, which increases buyer purchasing power. And this is an opportunity not to be missed, especially if your family's needs have changed. If you now need a space for a home office, gym, virtual classroom, and more, it may be time to reconsider your current house. Now, according to Mortgage News Daily, those shopping for a home can afford 10% more home than they could have 1 year earlier, now while keeping the monthly payment unchanged. This translates into nearly $32,000 more buying power. Bottom line is, with mortgage rates hitting historic lows, home prices appreciating affordability rising, and the market recovering like no other, 2020 has been quite a year for real estate, and perhaps one we've never seen before and may never see again. So, let's connect today if you're ready to take advantage of this year's record-breaking opportunities. I would love to help. After all, it's not just property, it's your lifestyle. Bye-bye from me.